Good morning. This is Ethan here. And another construction worker has left the site. And he's not on the phone. Like the one on the other day. Earlier today, that driveway was opened up because a car wanted to get out. Now it's closed again. I was let out of class early today because there's not much to do. It's just makeup day today. And I have nothing to do after I got kind of bored. So I just take a walk out there and headed to that Marriott nearby. But before that, I stopped by a nearby shopping center and take a look around. And I see two stores on sale, getting emptied out. And it reminds me of the Mirage, of course. And I made a short on those stores. And the one to the right is now a storage room. And I store some boxes and stuff in there. And afterward, I just headed to the Marriott. Along the way, there was lots of road work, and they closed off some sidewalks because they just want to put new concrete and they're wet. So it's just a little harder to walk there. I have walked to the bush and into a garage on the way into the hotel. And I just wanted to ride the elevators there again. And I took the elevators to 410. I was about to get down, but instead of calling the guest elevators, I have called the service elevators. I didn't notice it until now. And I decided to film it. And I didn't film it yet. And it gives me a new elevator video opportunity. And I didn't take any new elevators for a long time. And once again, I'm taking it. The service elevator is kind of rolled on inside, and the ride is kind of crappy. And that elevator was used for housekeepers carrying their carts from floor to floor. And now I have a new elevator video today. Yay! And once I get back to the lobby, I just took some toiletries from a housekeeper cart down there on floor 1. And I took 2 toothbrushes. Yes, they have toothbrushes there. And 2 soap bars. And here they are in my hand. And then on the way back, I saw some rebar cages on the side of Great America Parkway, and another Mirage reference has been found today, as they are using it for the base of the guitar tower, the Mirage. Though the two Mirage references today for me. And on the way back, I forgot to take a picture of those abandoned stores, so I just came back here and took a picture and head back here to Mission College. And also on the way back, I got some tsunami warning on my phone, and it make a very loud noise on my phone. Wow, it's loud, and it's kind of hurt my ears. And I have uploaded my elevator video on the computer in the BT building over there. And it's a nice day today. So I just took a walk earlier. And it's a long walk, and now I'm back making this demolition update. And now on to the update itself. Earlier in the morning, there was a construction worker standing around here, outside the site. And this room is opened somehow. And it's a storage room, I think, it's with a ladder in there and stuff. And it looks like they're doing something over there. Looks like they're chilling over there, having a nice time. Yes, I have made a lot of shorts today of construction stuff, because yes, I'm having fun today, going places nearby. And took some pictures too. Yeah, it's quiet right now. No drilling. As for now. Don't tell me you're gonna drill again. And that fan non-use. Oh, looks like you're drilling again. And someone's carrying a ladder down outside, and there's a truck parked right in front of that entrance over there, and the guy is putting a ladder in to there. Let's head to the front. I have looked up this library on Google Maps, and I see what it looked like before pre-renovation. And it looks like there are a lot of little worms in there, like the copy worm and stuff. That means those metal frames are gonna become worms. And I wonder what it's gonna look like when it's get renovated. And also, I only went to this library only once. Just like the Tropicana and the Mirage. And also the berries. And I didn't know they are gonna get the Mirage renovated or whatever. Just like here. And luckily we go to other places at least once. Yeah, we're lucky with our picks. And I went to the library during a field trip back in 2022. And it was some kind of summer program. And it took place on the very last week of the program itself. Yeah, we just taking a campus tour here and go to multiple places, including this library. Yeah, they're just talking about whatever in this place itself. And they didn't know it's gonna get renovated in the future. Just like my beloved hotels in Vegas. And I get kind of overheated from all the walking earlier. Because it's warming up out there. and I walked quite a lot. It was quite a long walk to me, I think. Is it up? And here's the truck again. And it's said stealing. And looks like they're loading stuff into the truck, such as that ladder and whatsoever. And that portable over there is the headquarters for the construction workers. And hey, that reminds me of something. The Tropicana. Yeah, there are also portables at the Tropicana site too. For the construction workers. Yeah, 2 different portables there. One of them is for the demolition company. Going on. And the other is for Bally's. Yeah, looks like they have their own headquarters on site. Just like here. And looks like the construction workers just hang out doing their own thing in there, I think. So that's the ones at the top. And also yesterday, a Tropicana demolition update has been released, and it was the first Tropicana demolition update of December. And also today is my second demolition update of mine. Yeah, I found a couple of Mirage references and a Tropicana reference today. And it's getting kind of hot now, and that means today is a nice day, nice warm day, yeah. And this is a real revamp. Unlike the Mirage, it's not a revamp to me. It's a devamp or downgrade. There's not much anything new at the Tropicana right now. I should just continue cleaning up the site to make room for the new stadium and also Bally's. It looks like that guy's back, cleaning that water feature once more. And now he's leaving. And they have increased the cost for building that new stadium on the Tropicana site. According to yesterday's demolition update, and my phone battery is getting low again at 20% like the other day. Yeah, I took so many videos today because, yeah, I was taking a walk, having fun. Yes, he's leaving. He's starting the engine of that pickup truck. And just need to wait for the people to get out of the way. And that's quite a lot of people over there. And I hope my phone don't die when I'm filming this video. And he's taking quite a long time just to leave the site. I know it's a lot of people. That's why the waiting is so long. Finally, you left. As the people's out of your way. Bye. See you next time. And there's a van over there too. Parking over here. And looks like smell like wet paint over here. And it looks like he's spray painting something over there. They're chilling by the car too. And also the van is backing up and leaving, I think. And I can smell that wet paint from far away. And the fan by the entrance, the one I saw last video, is now gone. It's moved. And looks like they spray painted that area with green. And there's a piece of wood over there. And looks like it's painted or whatever. And that truck is now closed. And I think it's gonna leave soon. So just working on something on that car over there. And that piece of paper fell off from the book retain. And this is what it looked like. Yeah, that spray paint is so strong. And it looks like they say that Librarians now look at a parking lot. I saw beeping. And the truck is about to leave. Ding! Looks like they drop a pipe to the ground or something. And let's stop the video here for now. So, bye for now. See you on Tuesday. And have a nice weekend, everyone. And also, please check out my new elevator video today. And also, the shorts I made today of that construction, whatever. And also, I have made a short about taking the Marriott elevators again too. So bye, have fun.